Hi everyone, following the release of our new email editor at the end of last year, we're excited to now introduce our new email campaigns. This new feature builds on the editor by allowing you to create, send, schedule and track email campaigns directly within FLG. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process from selecting your audience and building your email right through to sending your campaign and reviewing its performance. So to begin with, you're just going to navigate to leads and search leads and filter out your leads as you normally would. This just allows you to target exactly the audience that you want to email before creating your campaign. Once you're happy with the filtered list, you're just going to go ahead and select bulk actions, and you'll now see a new option for new email campaign. Selecting this will open up the new email campaign builder. From here, you will have two options. You can build your email from scratch or choose from one of the predefined templates as a starting point. But once you've selected, you'll be able to create, drag and drop all your content. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some content in here, just so you can see exactly how that would look and give it a subject name. When the email is ready, you'll have the option to give your campaign a name. This is just useful if you'd like to save it as a new template so that it can be reused again in the future, saving you time from creating similar campaigns. So I'm just going to give the campaign a name, and I'm just going to put my name for now. And then you do have the option to save as new template. All you need to do is select the tick box, and that will drop into your templates within the platform. Next, you'll choose how you'd like the email to be sent. So you can send it as yourself, as the associated site, or as the lead assigned user, depending on which option best suits your communication. So I'm just going to keep it as myself for now so that all emails come directly from me. If you're on the middle package or above, you'll also have the option to schedule your campaign rather than sending it immediately. So you can choose a specific time and date that you would like the email to go out. So all you need to do is use the date picker, pop your time in, and then that will then be scheduled directly. But for today's purpose, I am just going to send it immediately. You will still have the options to preview your email, see the image to text ratio, as well as preview on both mobile and desktop, as well as the option to send a test to yourself before actually sending out the campaign, just to make sure you are happy with all of the details. Once you're happy with everything, all you need to do is select continue to send your campaign. This will come up with a pop-up just to confirm the campaign and make sure that you are happy and aware of everything that is happening within the platform, especially if anybody has got their preferences opted out. It means they will be skipped from any of that automation, as well as the link for the unsubscribe. But I'm happy with this, so I'm just going to go ahead and select send, and what this will do is now send the bulk action out. After the campaign has been sent, you can now navigate to the campaign section within the FLG sidebar. So here you'll be able to monitor the campaigns and review their performance. You'll see any that are already scheduled as well as any that have already been completed. So I can see that this one here is a planned campaign. It is going out on the 23rd at 9 AM. I can click on the campaign to see exactly who that is being sent to, what their permission to contact, as well as whether they have valid email addresses. You will also have their lead ID details. If you do want to select that, it will open up the lead directly within the platform. You will also see any campaigns that have also been completed. So this will give you anything that has already been sent out directly within the platform. I'm just going to select the search filters here, and what I can then do is search for any specific keywords. If I do have a lot of campaigns, I can also search by date as well, just to quickly find a campaign that I have recently either scheduled or sent out. To view more detailed information, you're going to simply select one of the completed campaigns. So I'm just going to open up this one here. And from here, I'll be able to view their delivery status to see which emails were delivered, open, clicked, replied to, unsubscribed, and also identify if any of them were duplicates. This just makes it easy to understand how recipients have interacted with your campaign as well. So to do that, you can just select on the search filters and you'll see you've got plenty of different options here as well. So if I wanted to see who's clicked, who's opened the email, as well as obviously any that have been sent, etc. You will also then have the option for the outcome as well. So say for example, if any of them were duplicates, or maybe if the sending was prohibited, that just means that they have opted out previously from any of the campaigns. Below this, you'll also see a list of leads included within the campaign, along with useful information such as their names, contact details and delivery status of their email. If you would like to investigate a particular lead further, you can simply select the lead's name to open up the lead directly within FLG. You'll also notice a View Leads option. Selecting this will take you back to the original Leads and Search Leads page with the same group of leads already filtered for you. So all you need to do is just go onto View Leads. You can see that it's automatically filtered this out for me. This just means you can quickly send a follow-up campaign or carry out further actions without having to recreate your search. And finally, you will see the campaign details section. So I'm just going to open up one of the completed campaigns again. And from here, you'll be able to see the overall campaign's performance. So I'm just going to select on the information of the campaign details, and from here I can now see the different percentages. So here you can see your audience size, the total number of messages sent, and engagement metrics, including the percentage of emails delivered, open, clicked, replied to, and unsubscribed. These insights give you a clear picture of how your campaign has performed, helping you measure engagement and identify opportunities for future communications. So that concludes our walkthrough of the new email editor campaigns feature. We hope this helps you make the most of this new functionality. And as always, if you have any questions or need any assistance, our support team will be happy to help.